So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to identify your break of structures in a downtrend. Okay, so clearly here, as you can see, the market has been in a downtrend. Okay, it's quite obvious, as you can see right here, that the market has been falling drastically. Let me just show you guys so that you can see the market has been falling drastically. You really don't need anybody to tell you that the market clearly right here is in a downtrend. This is GPP 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's identify our break of structures in this current chart that we see right here. So one of the things you should do is you minimize your chart a little bit, okay, so that you can see the market in a bird's eye view. Okay, so that is why I'm not making my candles this big. Can you see? This is my trading view app, obviously. So when you want to mark your structures, ensure that you zoom out so that you can see, you can have a bird's eye view of what the current market is doing. Then you draw your structure. So let's draw break of structures in this downtrend, like as I taught you guys in the previous video. Okay, let's start with identifying the highs and the lows first, okay, before we now spot out the break of structure. So let's just start from here. So at this point, the market broke to the downside, right? It broke to the downside and it went up. We traced back up a little bit. Sorry, yes, it retraced back up a little bit, and it came down here again, went back up, came down to this low, went back up, broke down to this level, went back up again. As you can see, it came down to this level, retraced a little bit to the upside, and came down to this level. As you can see here, it now went back up again here and retraced a little bit downwards and shot up to the upside. I'm just going to stop here for now. Okay, we can go on and on, but just for the sake of this video and to help you to identify your break of structures. Now, so once you are able to identify the swing points in your charts, the next thing you should do is, for in a downtrend, you just spot out your lows and your highs. So this is what I'm going to do. These are the lows in this my chart, the low points. Okay, so this level here, just like as I showed you guys, was a break of structure. Okay, so a break of structure happened here. This low again right here that you see is another break of structure. Remember I said in a downtrend, you just watch out for your swing lows and you identify your break of structures. So market was breaking structure, as the name implies, to the downside. Can you see? So clearly this is your break of structure in a downtrend. As you can see, I'm concentrating majorly on where market broke through my low and continued its downward movement. Can you see? So your ability to identify your break of structure in the market would help you a lot in your analysis. So this is how to identify your break of structure. So after the market did this break of structure that you see right here, as after we had this last break of structure, the market did a change of character. We are going to go to change of character later, but for the sake of this particular video, we're talking about break of structure. So as you can see, these are all our break of structure points in this current GPP 15 minutes chart. Okay, so I want you to identify a downtrend or an uptrend and be able to identify your break of structures. Let's look for another example for an uptrend, and let's draft our break of structure together. Okay guys, so this is an example of an uptrend, and let's identify our break of structure. Okay, so this is clearly an uptrend, as you can see right here. So in an uptrend, now this is what you do. Let's identify our swing points as usual so that it will be easy for us. Let's just start from here so that it will be easy for us to spot out our break of structure. Okay, so we had market retraced to the upside, it came back a little bit to this low, went back to this high, retraced back, went back up to this swing high, retraced down to this level, went back up here, retraced a little bit, went back up, retraced a little bit, and it shot up to this level. Okay, so let's just stop right here. So once you're able to identify your swing points, the next thing you should do is to watch out for highs, swing highs, break out from your swing highs. Now obviously we can see that this is an high. Remember, for uptrend you just watch out for break out from swing highs. This is an high, so this was a break of structure to the upside. As you can see, a break of structure to the upside. Okay, this right here again, let me show you guys. This swing high again was a break of structure. There was a break of structure right here. Okay, there was a break of structure. There was a break of structure right there. Then this point again, which is our next swing high, this swing high was another break of structure. So can you see that for uptrends I just concentrate on the swing highs, and you get your break of structure. Now there's an indicator that would even spot this for you. You don't need to stress yourself to identify your swing highs and your swing lows. I'm going to give you guys indicator later in one of my videos. Okay, but it's good you learn how to identify it yourself, so that when you be doing your market analysis, it's going to help you get your clean zones where you take your trades from. Okay, I just had to start from this level so that when I start introducing my strategy to you guys, it will be easy for you to understand. So this is how to spot out your break of structure in a downtrend and in an uptrend. So that's all for this video. If you have questions, do want to use the comment section to drop your questions, and if you're yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know what to do, guys. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So see you guys in the next video.